so, so proud of you. You still went on with it.
Are in Gab!
Kailangan kong bumawi and prove that I deserve to stay in this competition.
Gabrielle pays tribute to the late, great Luther Vandross.
Nung narinig ko yung arrangement ni Sir Cesar Aguas, sobrang nahirapan ako kasi I grew up without a real father. So hanggang sa nagpakasal ulit yung mama ko, nakilala ko ang totoong tatay sa stepdad ko.
I think that this will probably be the song that will bring out his vocal abilities. It will just make people remember him as one of the contestants that do deserve to be there.
Gusto kong mabigyan ng justice yung kanta. To Sir Luther Vandross, kung nasan man po kayo ngayon, para sa inyo to.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then a first steady would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, and I hear how Mama cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the more she's dying to dance with my father again. Dance with my father again.
Gabby! Last week yung lumabas na tayo dito, I found him and he was really crying, you know. He felt so bad. And I was telling him, sabi ko, bakit ka umiiyak, Gab? You know, he was so, parang his performance probably, he was not happy with his performance that night. Pero I was telling him, why are you crying? Nandito ka na sa X Factor. If you make it or you don't make it, everybody will know who Gabby is and how wonderful he is, okay?
Alam mo kung gaano kami ka-close dito sa X Factor, paminsan-minsan, pati katulad ni Gabriel, tinatanong din ako, no? Sir Gary, ano kaya yung pwede kong ganun? Kung last week umiyak ka, kung ano man ang nakuha mo sa mentor mo, ginamit mo ng husto, at ngayon, ang mga tao ang umiiyak dahil sa pagkanta mo. Gabriel, kung ano man ang na-share mo sa akin kanina, talagang hindi na ako bumalik at nagsabi pa ng iba dahil hindi ko na kailangan pang sabihin dahil ginamit mo kung ano yung dapat kong sabihin sa iyo. You used your heart and your voice came out and I cannot wait to see you again.
Thank you, Pastor.
Gab, just to let you know, napaka-special ng kanta na to for me.
Talaga.
And nung narinig ko na yun yung kakantahin mo, sabi ko sa sarili ko, probably ito yung pinakamagandang song choice para sa'yo. And ngayon na nakita ko na at narinig ko, I love the song plus you singing. Perfection.
Thank you po, Mr.
Gabriel, yung unang usapan namin ni Mr. Cesar Aguas with that beautiful arrangement, nag-aaway kami. Dahil sabi ko, Cesar, ayoko yung sobrang arranged yung song. Yung
Gusto
sobrang
mo
mabigat.
simple,
Kasi
gusto mo
gusto ko
yung-
marinig yung boses, yung tunay na boses ni Gabriel. But what I didn't know is tonight, 1 week ago, you were a little boy. Tonight, with that voice, you're a little man. Gabriel, great job.
Thank you po.
Proud of you, boy. Love you.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much, judges. Ladies and gentlemen, Gab. Okay, mga kapamilya, kung nagustuhan nyo ang performance ni Gab and gusto nyong manatili si Gab sa X Factor Philippines, just key in XF space GAB. Thank you very much.